Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. We are from School of Postgraduate Yogyakarta of State University. Let me introduce myself and Marwan Nurhayati and Agus Herwanto. Our title of research is Application of TVEC for Students, Learning Motivation in Science and Social Studies and a Learning Elementary School. The President of International Conference Elementary School, ICE, in November, Bandung. So we are going to our best team. Number one is Marwan, number two is Nur Hayati, and number three is Agus Herwanto. Next, Agus Herwanto.
Yes, thank you. Methods, one research and development R&D, design AD, three TPACK. This study utilizes the AD design using quantitative describes methodology to uncover roles and strategies through interviews, observation, questionnaires, and documentation to collect data to find out students' strength and weakness before taking the lesson. However, as the study lasts on year, only in the first three stages, defining, design, and development, we were complete, and the dissemination stage was not active. The scope of this research and is includes in education research. The main purpose is to determine to effectiveness and provide learning motivation in learning natural and social science, IPAS, especially historical material with the application of technological, pedagogical content, knowledge, TPACK, whose application is in the form of recognizing, accepting, adapting, exploring, advancing level students in elementary school. The success of the research will be determined to what action the development media can help create for elementary school students and teacher in the learning process in elementary school. The research variable can be categorized into two main aspects, namely one, the development of four-grade media to determine the effectiveness and profit motivation for student learning in learning, IPAS SD, and two, assessment criteria consisting of 5 levels, not helpful, less helpful, moderately helpful, helpful, and very helpful. To illustrate the research design, a card of pictures such as the example in figure 1 can be used. Evaluation of all aspects of cover and content graphic result in a percentage sample of 89%. Based on the product eligibility equivalent presented in the study, this value indicated that the teaching material are feasible and can be implemented. However, this data is not the only reference of improving student teaching media, especially in IPAS lesson, especially in history subject. The assessment of each subcommon and expert suggestion also play a role in product improvement. Yes, this result of media expert trial. The grid teaching media, the percentage value for each subcomment are as follows: 97.5% for layout, 75% for typography, and 75% for illustration. This value indicates that the three subcommon are visible and can be implemented. Likewise, for the graphic content, the percentage value is 100% for layout, 91.6% for typography, and 100 for illustration. With percentage above 75%, all subcommon of the graphical content component are considered appreciated and visible to use. The data above explains that the result of the t-test that the test value is zero media value and the motivation value is 0.00. So it can be concludes that this value insignificant.
Thank you, my friend Agus and Yati. Analyze 20th century learning has become more interesting and fun for teacher as educator. Teacher in the 20th century are efficient not to focus on presenting material. Facts or data research through the theories, story, and formula. Because these methods will soon become optional. Because a student can information and various technology using digital source anytime and anywhere to still against in practice this is story learning then only to be process of trend so history learning aspects of history education cannot be actually optimal. This cause the account to come a growing subject student are limitedly or not interested in history because memorizing it is considered usual. This phenomenon of history learning still exists today in learning practice in school, including in the city of Yogyakarta, namely Kasinius Demangan Baru Elementary School, Yogyakarta. Educator in paper media are often in which the reading learning tools include material, model, strategy, or learning media that is effective in desain of in cerita tentang daerahku, in pretest, ada interrogation, method, video, assessment, ada on and sports test. Development in this development thing several activities on in the preparation of teaching media in accordance with the syllabus, innovation, educator, decision curriculum to foster mutual respect in student and teacher, promoting of our student or based on data from student response assessment result in future fall. Limited real assessment result from the data from student response in is clear that are still not used to using the media that is telephone because the learning media is from usual. Solution that can be implemented by student use must be uploaded to understand the learning with website media so that learning can simply digital platform use as Google Sheet or tool that can support in listening. Okay, implementation, teaching media plans and improve role in learning as a spiritual history lesson by using TPOCK because it safer us with in the implementation of learning activities. With to achieve predicament learning objects after the product is different faced by express it continues to the individual realistic followed by a small group trial or nearly a frill trial if different are found in the trial in nature to carry out the evaluation to make improvement to the teaching material given. Thank you.
Okay, we're going back to the evaluation. Evaluation is an important process that determines the success of teaching media by development. To assess whether the teaching media meets initial expectation of development. Usually, the normal or formal evaluations that in conduct at the end or first stage mentioned above. However, at its stage, formative evaluation is conducted to indicate areas that need immediate improvement. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so we are going to be the conclusion. In the 20th century, characterized by technology advance, the importance of changes in Indonesia culture in the fight is becoming increasingly a fight to keep the spirits of nationalism alive. To achieve this goal, the AD concept emerged as a relevant solution. In this conceptual framework, its content is analyzed, designed, development, implementation, and evaluation. It has role and contributes according to their respective field. It is hoped that this can become a strong foundation and become a driving element of the progress of the world of education in strengthening Indonesian culture heritage, so that the spirit of nationalism remains strong in the 20th century. Okay, thank you for attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.